Welcome to part 2 of the drilling, tapping and threading series. In this section, you're going to learn the conventional procedure for sharpening drills using the offhand method. To begin, let's first examine a twist drill so that you can become familiar with the terminology and standards. As the cutting takes place at the point, we shall concentrate on this area. Observed from one side, we can see flanks, the point, and a flute. Rotate the drill and we can see that the flanks are angled slightly. This is known as the relief angle. The flat portion at the very tip is the chisel edge. Observed from the top, we can see that the chisel edge is offset at an angle of 130 degrees to the cutting lips. General purpose drill, that is one used for several types of work, has what is known as a standard tip. Let's examine a standard tip. This point has an angle of 118 degrees. That means each flank is ground to 59 degrees from the vertical axis. The relief angle of a standard point is between 8 and 12 degrees on drills over 10 millimeters in diameter. Smaller drills have a relief angle of between 15 and 20 degrees. Different points are ground when a drill is to be used extensively in specific types of material. For example, a drill used exclusively for alloy steel would use a point angle of 135 degrees. Whereas for plastic, wood or fiber, a point angle of 90 to 100 degrees would be required. However, for armor plate drilling, a shallow angle of 150 degrees is necessary. After the discussion break, we shall discuss the procedure for sharpening or grinding a standard point.